Cindy helps her sales team a lot on working with Salesforce CRM. She frequently gets the task to research a list of accounts and to create the accounts in the system. Researching for account information cost her precious time. Cindy want to know beforehand which accounts are not yet in the system. So she only do her research on those accounts. With our apps you can check whether accounts already exists in the system or not without importing the data into the account table itself. After installing the app, open the app from the app launcher. Import the accounts to the Object Data Check. Use the field action name to group the imported records. After the import process is done, go back to the app and check the result. Accounts which already exist in your CRM will be shown as duplicate. It also shows which account record is meant as a duplicate. With this app, Cindy can easily check which accounts she already have without having to import them into Account or Lead. This way, Cindy can work efficiently.